What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If your computer has been feeling slower lately, taking longer to boot, running out of storage for no clear reason, or just not performing like it used to, then today's video is definitely for you. Because in this video, we're taking a deep dive into WMaster Cleanup, a Windows optimization and cleaning tool that claims to help you clean junk files, free up disk space, boost performance, and protect your privacy all in one place. And here's something important. At the time of recording this video, WMaster Cleanup is available completely free for a limited time. So if you're curious about trying it, this might be the perfect opportunity. All right, let's get into it. After installing WMaster Cleanup, the first thing I noticed is how clean and simple the interface looks. It's not overloaded with complicated menus or confusing settings. Everything is clearly categorized, which is great whether you're a beginner or someone more experienced with PC maintenance. The dashboard gives you quick access to the main cleaning and optimization tools, so you don't have to go digging around your system manually. And honestly, that's already a big plus, because most users just want something fast and straightforward. Let's talk about one of the core features, disk cleanup. Over time, your Windows system collects temporary files, cache data, logs, leftover installation files, and other junk that you don't even realize is there. These files can slowly eat up your storage and sometimes impact performance. With the disk cleanup feature, WMaster Cleanup scans your system and identifies unnecessary files that can be safely removed. After the scan, it shows you exactly how much space you can free up and what types of files are involved. I really like that it doesn't just instantly delete everything. You can review the results before cleaning, which is important. Always double-check before deleting anything. That's just good practice. Now here's something that many people overlook: duplicate files. If you download files frequently, move things around, or copy media across folders, chances are you have duplicates sitting somewhere on your drive, and they take up way more space than you think. The duplicate file remover scans your system and detects files that appear multiple times. You can preview them, compare file sizes, and decide what to keep or remove. This is especially useful if you're running low on storage, but don't want to manually search through hundreds of folders. Another useful feature is the built-in application uninstaller. Instead of going into Windows settings and uninstalling programs one by one, WMaster Cleanup lists your installed applications in one place. You can quickly identify programs you no longer use and remove them. This is great for decluttering your system and possibly improving startup performance, especially if you have apps running in the background that you forgot about. Privacy is another area this tool focuses on. WMaster Cleanup includes a browser history cleaner that removes browsing traces, cookies, and cache data. If you share your computer or simply care about digital privacy, this can be a helpful feature. It saves time compared to manually clearing data from each browser individually. Again, you have control over what gets removed. One feature I personally find very useful is the disk analyzer. Sometimes we don't even know what's actually taking up space. You just see the storage bar turning red. The disk analyzer gives you a breakdown of your files and folders, showing you which categories or large files are consuming the most space. That visibility alone can help you make smarter decisions about what to delete or move to external storage. Beyond cleaning, WMaster Cleanup also includes tools aimed at improving overall system performance. There are features designed to optimize memory usage and securely delete sensitive files using file shredding methods. That's useful if you want to permanently remove data instead of just sending it to the recycle bin. Now, I always recommend using optimization tools responsibly. No software can magically turn a 10-year-old PC into a brand new machine, but keeping your system clean and organized absolutely helps maintain smoother performance over time. So, who should consider using WMaster Cleanup? If you're a student with a laptop that's running out of storage, if you're a content creator handling large files, if you're a casual user who just wants a faster system, or if you simply want an easier way to manage your PC maintenance, this tool is designed to simplify the process, especially for users who don't want to manually search through system folders.
Now, let's talk about something important. At the moment, WMaster Cleanup is available completely free for a limited time. That means you can try out the features, explore the interface, and see if it fits your workflow without paying up front. Of course, always check the official website for the latest details regarding the offer, because limited-time promotions can change. But if you've been thinking about cleaning up your PC, this is a good chance to test it risk-free. Overall, WMaster Cleanup offers a solid collection of cleaning and optimization tools in a simple, user-friendly interface. It combines disk cleanup, duplicate removal, application management, privacy protection, and storage analysis into one platform, which makes PC maintenance much more convenient. Is it a miracle performance booster? No software is. But is it a practical tool for keeping your Windows PC cleaner and organized, and potentially running smoother? Absolutely.
If you want to check out WMaster Cleanup, I've placed the official link in the description below. If you decide to try it, let me know in the comments how much space you managed to free up. I'm curious. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech reviews and software recommendations, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.